In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a backup in Hostinger efficiently. This process is crucial, especially for those looking to reclaim valuable storage space on their accounts. We'll go through each step with clarity and precision to ensure you can follow along without any hassle. First things first, you need to log into your Hostinger account. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the H panel, which is the control center where all the action happens. You'll see a menu on the left-hand side. Click on Websites. This is where you can manage all the websites linked to your Hostinger account. Find the website for which you'd like to manage the backups and select Manage to proceed further. Now, you're going to be looking for the File Manager. It's one of your key tools for handling files directly on your hosting server without needing additional software or file transfer protocol services. Open the File Manager, and this is where we'll locate your backup files. Backups typically reside in a few common directories, and knowing these paths can save you a lot of time. Start by looking for folders named Backups or Backup. These are frequently used directory names. Alternatively, your site's backups might be stored directly within your site's root directory, often called public HTML. Within public HTML, look for a subdirectory named Backup. Once you've located these directories, it's time to identify the specific files you want to delete. Backup files are usually stored as compressed archives, like files ending with tar.gz. These are common backup files because they compress large amounts of data into more manageable files. Carefully select all the backup files you wish to remove. After selecting the files, look for the Delete button, usually represented by a trash can icon. Clicking this will move your files to the trash bin. It's a bit like when you delete files on your computer. They're not immediately erased, but held temporarily in case you change your mind. To truly free up that precious storage space, you need to take one final step. Head over to the trash bin, which is generally visible as another option within the same sidebar of the File Manager. By emptying the trash bin, you're permanently removing these files from your server, making sure there's no way they are still occupying your valuable storage space unnecessarily. And there you have it. This process not only helps reclaim storage space immediately, but also ensures that your hosting environment remains clean and uncluttered, allowing for smoother website performance. Regularly managing your backups is a great habit to adopt, especially as your website grows and evolves. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.